Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a high-performing pen that is immune to fading, fraud, or water? Then you need this pen. This is the Uniball 207 Signo Gel Pen, and this is a great product. This has a really small 0.5 millimeter point, so if you like a fine tip pen, this is an awesome option. I like to use this because it has a nice smooth gel ink and it writes really clearly, very consistent lines, and you can write in very small spaces with these pens. And even if you like to write in like little margins or in between lines in a textbook, this is a really good way to do it. So I really like these pens for that. They do come in a variety of color options. This is the red, so if you're a teacher, this is a great option. I also appreciate that there is a nice squishy rubber part at the bottom that has a lot of grip to it, so you can hang on really easily, and it's super comfortable to write with. So these pens are great for a lot of reasons, whether you're a student or you need a high quality pen in your workplace. These are just a really nice option. I think that they're very dependable. They have a really nice, precise flow of ink, and I think they're great, and that's my point of view.